What's the meaning of cheeseboard? Cheeseboard. Cheeseboard.
Cheeseboard. Cheeseboard. A cheeseboard is a serving board or platter designed for presenting various types of cheese. It can be made from a variety of materials such as wood, slate, or marble, and may include separate compartments for different cheeses, as well as additional spaces for accompaniments like crackers, fruits, and nuts. Cheeseboards can be used for formal occasions such as dinner parties or more casual settings like picnics. They are a popular way of serving cheese and can create an elegant display that adds to the overall dining experience.